Hello everyone, let's see how to change date and time settings in Windows 11. So click on the Start button, search your setting, click on the settings and go to the left hand side, click on the time and language. And here you can see the first option, date and time. Click on it. And here the first, set time zone automatically. If you want to set time zone automatically, turn on this option. If you want to set time zone manually, just click on this drop down arrow and select your time zone and set here. Next, set time automatically. If you want to set time manually, just turn off this option first. Then here, set the time and date manually. Now click on this change option. And here you can just click on your date and you can change your date manually. Okay, after select the date, just click on the check sign. Okay, same for timing, click on the timing and select the timing. And after that, click on the change option. Okay, you can see here the current date and current timing here showing. Okay, click on the change and it's done. The manually date and time changed. If you want to set time automatically turn on, just click on this option and turn on your set time automatically. Okay. And next here, change the date and time format. Okay. So just click on this option. You can select a different format of your date. Okay. You can see the short date format, long date format, short time format. So here I select the short date, click on this drop down arrow, and you can see here the different format of short date is available. Okay, with the dash, with the dot, you can select here. And here the first day of week, so you can change. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select the day. Long time also you can select. You can see when I click on this drop down arrow, long time format also here different available. You can select the AM, PM also if you want to check the AM, PM. So you can select this one. AM or PM symbol also you can change here. Click on the change and you can select here the symbol. Okay. And after that, click on OK. And related settings also below, you can see change number format, change currency format. If you want, you can check here also. So I go back in date and time again. And here the one more additional setting, sync now. If your clock slightly incorrect, then just click on the sync now option. It will sync on time. Okay. And here you can see the one option, show time and date in the system tray. Okay. So turn this off to hide your time and date information on the taskbar. You can see right hand side bottom time and date here on the taskbar showing. When you turn off this option, the time and date here not showing. Okay, I just turn on and again you can see time and date here showing. Okay, so that's it. This is the way you can change the date and time settings in Windows 11. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.